Customizing Best Places City Comparison is a valuable tool for individuals looking to make informed decisions about where to live, work, or retire. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of customizing your city comparison. First, start by visiting the Best Places website and selecting the City Comparison tool. From there, choose the cities you want to compare. You can select up to 5 cities at a time. You can search for cities by name, state, or zip code. Once you have selected your cities, you will be taken to a page that displays a variety of categories, including cost of living, climate, education, and more. To customize your comparison, click on the Categories tab and select the categories that are most important to you. You can choose from over 100 different categories, including housing, transportation, and healthcare. Next, you can adjust the weights of each category to reflect your personal priorities. For example, if you have children, you may want to give more weight to education and family-friendly activities. If you are retired, you may want to give more weight to healthcare and climate. After customizing your categories and weights, you can view a detailed comparison of your selected cities. This will include graphs, charts, and tables that highlight the similarities and differences between each city. You can also view a summary report that provides an overall score for each city based on your customized criteria. To get the most out of the city comparison tool, it is essential to understand the data behind the rankings. Best Places uses a variety of sources, including government statistics, surveys, and research studies, to gather data on each city. By understanding the methodology behind the rankings, you can make more informed decisions about which city is best for you. In addition to customizing your categories and weights, you can also use the City Comparison tool to research specific topics, such as job markets, schools, and neighborhoods. Best Places provides a wealth of information on each city, including articles, videos, and forums, where you can connect with others who have experience living in each city. By following these steps and taking the time to customize your city comparison, you can make a more informed decision about where to live, work, or retire. Remember to prioritize your needs and preferences, and to research each city thoroughly to find the best fit for you. With the Best Places City Comparison tool, you have the power to create a personalized ranking of cities that reflects your unique priorities and lifestyle.